on near bot camp, please. Okay.
Got
Everybody buff the fuck up, by the way. Good luck, have fun.
I don't want to go bot.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hover top in case they invade, but Requiem normally just rushes the turret.
Yeah, they're sending it.
They're invading top side, I'm
yeah,
here.
They're full sending it to close. I'm assisting on close here. Pulling on close.
I'm assisting on top.
Yeah, they're dying, Yeah.
They got on the tower.
They're still invading in the jungle. I'm gonna stay here until we get rid of these people.
You're on the tower right now.
I'm taking the Chinese guy.
I'm gonna wait with tower immunity a bit. I'm gonna take care of the melee.
Pull him south.
It's a good pull.
Yep, lots of melee on the town, by the way. Pull walk, pull.
Kitty pop now.
Strategic retreat. He's on the plane.
He's running away.
Let go. Why is he running? Get out of here.
I'm horsing.
Bozo.
Chinese guy behind you, Smix behind you.
It's a healer.
Free casting, nameless, free casting.
Yeah, they've got a strap on the tower, constantly. More wind. Centralize. Equal up. 3 seconds, I'm gonna pull him. Pulling him.
It's a good pull.
I bombed on tower.
Strategic retreat.
The Chinese guy is nameless, huh? Don't let him free cast.
Pulling on the bulwark, bulwark.
I'm horsing. Never mind.
Strategic retreat. Pulling bulwark. Get me off the fucking tower. We're gonna lose mid.
I have Strato.
We need a nameless shield here, I think.
I got it.
Nice, good
in
shit.
60 seconds.
I have Strato too.
Jungle in 60, we'll have tower immunity up for it.
More wind. I'm out of here.
Never mind, I'm popping immunity now. Immunity's popped.
Square.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
You don't want to go on the fucking bulwark.
Pulling on 12 for the top tower.
No, I got on the fucking bulwark again.
Nameless casting.
Which one?
Don't forget the
Jungle
jungle.
in 20 seconds.
Shit. I'm going bottom.
Jungle in 15. Enemy is already moving. Move. Everybody into jungle. Everybody go. Go. Yeah, mid help as well. Yeah, there's 3 people on top tower.
They're moving for Goose. We need to go back G6.
Top tower is gonna drop.
Going Goose.
It's okay. Top tower's down. Just mirror now. Everybody's going to Goose. Everybody into base. G4 by chickens. Move to boss. G4 is grabbing chickens now.
That's a lot on Goose.
Try to heal for jungle. Try to heal for jungle. Belts on the chickens.
Killing many here.
I'm pulling on Goose now. Pulling it. It's fucking massive. Extend it. Full send it on the Goose, bro. Oh my god, T-clump. Don't send anything, bro. Get the fuck out.
Target focus, guys. Pick your targets. Find 2-digit Chinese guy.
I have him.
Nice.
Okay.
Taking big
Drop
damage.
here. Goose is sitting in center. I need disrupt on the Goose. I have like 10 millions on the Goose. Everybody send fucking belts on the Goose, bro. Goose is on horse.
He's on the
Take a
Goose,
bot
the
before
Chinese
come
guy.
back immediately. Just run the fuck back.
He's horsing.
Horses and belts onto fucking center, bro. Still sitting in center. Go towards bot side. They're just sitting there 3 casting. Tanks keep on spelling on the Goose. Pulling on the Goose now. Pulling it. Extended. Full send it on the Goose. Full send it on the fucking Goose, bro. And declump again. Declump. Too long. Too fucking long. Too long. Just play disrupt on the Goose again. I'm by city protection. City spot. Everybody just play life
Mystic
for now.
Koga.
We have
Mystic
city
Koga
up.
merc. Okay. I'm on Mystic Koga then.
Is he high in damage?
Keep it up now. Immunity is up. Goose is sitting right in front of the fucking tree. Keep the belts on.
They're all in
Keep
the
belts
Goose
on the
area,
Goose.
guys.
Enemy is pulling. Get away from the Goose. Look on a fucking bot side, bro. There's just 3 neighbors sitting there precasting. Look bot grass.
Pulling on.
Yeah, look the pull on Goose.
Healing out.
They're full sending it to Goose now. Be careful.
Jungle in 60 seconds.
Pulling on the Goose in 3, 2, 1. Pulling it now. Pulling it on the Goose. Extend it. Full send it on the fucking Goose, bro. Full send it. Everything, man.
I can heal you.
Dropping my ult.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
You don't know him,
Jungle in 30. We're anti-healed. Everybody decline. Just force the fuck up. Force up.
Asher, do we go jungle or just the 25?
And
Yeah.
lock onto the Goose.
We go, huh?
Jungle in 20 seconds.
Not for this one.
Everybody move into jungle. Everybody into jungle.
Now we
Only
move.
I say. G5
Yeah.
top, G6 bot. G5 top, G6 bot. Everybody out.
I'm staying close.
There's ever a game to win sides, this one. Come on.
Let's take Koga, don't let him breathe. And let me carry y'all. Don't let them breathe.
Out of fire.
That's so unfortunate.
And
Nice
T,
try.
T.
NT.
Everybody play the fucking camp. Come back immediately. Right after. This is on 2%. Like, you guys gotta hurry the fuck up, by the way. Yeah, I need to spot builds as well. G6, be ready to block.
We're on our way back.
Buying... Yeah, I bought immunity. I bought immunity. I'm pulling on center here. Pulling on center.
What am I stuck on?
Center towards top. Top. Extend on top. Extend on top. Full extend on top. Full send this shit, bro.
Ghost is dying.
G6 onto 3 now.
I'm ulting on strat ult on
Carry
3.
get ready for sprint. Healing all down. Okay, you do.
3 carriers up. Get ready.
Good shit. Get ready for sprint. They're sprinting now.
Oh my god, the block is good. The block is good.
Sprinting. Get away from the tree for now. If you're not G6, get away from the fucking tree and
I can heal you.
look on the sides.
It's down.
We're back, Murph.
I'm gonna bomb right on top of the tree. 3, 2, 1.
Look behind the tree. Yeah. Dive behind the tree.
It's a big bomb.
I'm playing in front
Anti-heal,
of the
tree
tree and
carrier.
disrupt here.
3 carries anti-heal.
Tree carrier can dive. We have anti-heal right now. Healing all down on tree. Now.
Anti-heal the tree carrier.
Yeah, they don't have a carrier right now. Available. They have a carrier again.
Express on tree carrier.
All the tanks look to disrupt. Tree carrier can die. They drop healing ult. Everybody get ready to move out of the base. Yeah, good healing ult.
Sucking
Bombed on 3.
Chaining
Yeah,
now.
following in front of the tree. Everybody use all you fucking have on the bump in front of the tree.
In front.
It's still going. They can still die.
Dropping my ult.
I'm fully dead, don't revive me.
Mirrodin's fully dead. Everybody move out the base now. Everybody move out.
Elo in front tree.
Everybody move out the base.
I can heal you. Jungle in 60 seconds. In front. Down.
Do we have anti-heal?
I do.
3 carriers, 3.
Yeah,
True.
then look on the tree now. Everybody collapse on the tree carrier now.
Aye.
Now.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Tree can still die, bro. Everybody look on the tree. All the tanks move into 12 and disrupt. Look on 12 and disrupt. Bot's already spawned, by the way. Yeah, look on top. Can you guys
Jungle
take,
in 20
take jungle?
seconds.
Pulling tree, pulling tree.
Okay. Clear bot side with chickens. Clear bot side.
Extending on tree.
G5 into top side. G5 into top side jungle. Now. I'm running far.
I lost his left.
They're sprinting. Try to block it.
I'm on block now. Bro, I've Guardian Fire on the tree is fucking crazy.
I'm helping close. You got
On
close.
far camp top.
They're carrying again.
I'm on block for now.
Just go out.
Who is hitting me?
Everybody move back to the tree. Offense is moving.
Forces Max, you're on block for a
Move
sec.
to boss. Buy chickens and move to boss.
More bells on the tree. 260 on bells on the tree.
Keep it
We've
up,
got to
keep
stop
it
them.
up, keep it up.
Guardian farming us. Get over it. Bell the tree. Bell the tree. Bell the tree.
Anti-heal on the tree.
Guys, why are there 4 people kissing the tree carrier? Spread around the tree and disrupt.
And hit the tree carrier.
I died 6.
He's dropped. I'm reviving you, Morgan. We're back. Healing you.
Pulling on 12.
X-Pirate is back on tree. He's back on tree.
I'm blocking.
I'm back.
We're surge. I'm extending the bomb. Extending it. We can actually fuck them here. We can fuck them. In front of the tree. Look in front of the fucking tree. Yeah, everybody defense. Everybody out. Popping healing ult on the tree now.
I'm back on tree blocking. Oh, I'm gonna die for it. Never mind.
Enemies cut the boss.
Shit.
They're sprinting.
Sprinting. Block the sprint. Block. Nice. And tree can die. Tree's dead. Good shit. Declump away from tree now. Declump away from the tree.
I have anti-heal for the next tree
I
carrier.
have strat ult. Let me know when you use it.
Yeah. Keep on disrupting them. Healing ult. Okay, healing ult is down.
Press the tree carrier again.
I have strat ult.
They have a carrier once again. Do we have anti?
I have anti-heal for the tree carrier if you hear me in a second.
Healing out.
Anti-heal the tree
wait,
carrier in
wait.
3.
Rest
Okay.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
Yeah, okay, do it. Look on the tree.
Extending on 12.
On the tree. Look on the tree carrier. Look on the carrier. Everybody, nice. And now declump again. Just horse the fuck up. If you're caged, horse up. Tanks dive into 12. Into 12. Disrupt them here. DPS, 3 casts from 6. Work your way forward.
Still no tree carrier. We're doing alright. I'm looking for a bomb deep 12.
Healing all down.
I'm
Now.
bombing deep 12. 3, 2, 1. Now. It's big. Tree carrier.
Nice. They have a tree carrier. No, they don't.
They do.
Play around.
They
the
have
tree.
tree carrier. I'm coming.
The other tree carrier. 3, 2, 1. Now kill it. Kill him.
Yeah, tree can die. Nice.
Jungle in
Declump
16
again. Full
seconds. Healing
declump.
ult.
Yeah, healing ult can survive.
Oh.
I'm gonna get you up, Mer.
Healing out.
I got disrupted.
Bring the
Everybody
tree.
declump.
Jungle in 40 seconds.
Just horse up.
Do I use strat ult?
We're getting right now. -5.
Stay safe, everybody. Horse and bells and everything. And if we have to get on the roofs, then we'll have to
Everybody
do it.
move into 6, move into 6. Surrender the middle
Jungle
choke.
in
Everybody
20
surrender the
seconds.
middle choke.
Fuck.
Everybody just go roofs, go roofs, go roofs. Stop fighting this, stop fighting this. We need to regroup here, fuck.
Got that, Brian. Away with it. On the roofs, guys. Get in front of the tree. Let's go. Up on the roofs. Follow the tree.
Everybody get ready to go back. I'm gonna drop down in front of the tree in 3, 2, 1. Now, and insta pulling it. Now, in front of the tree, in front of the tree.
I'm following.
Look in front of the tree, in front of the tree.
I can heal it out.
Exploded.
Fully.
And also down
I
there.
fully.
I need a revive, if possible. I'm healing ult.
Healing wolf.
We can stabilize. Yeah.
We can stay.
Okay.
We wiped. What the fuck?
We're
How are we the ones who got wiped?
What do you mean, how did we get one? We bombed, they counter bombed, we all died. How did we die?
They're collapsing on you guys now. Full collapsing.
Good job with the whole deathmatch though. Up until we wiped that first time, we were holding really well.
Crying baby versus
Oh,
atomic.
Bro, they're flying.
Exploded.
Just
better
try to
say.
go back in time, bro.
Like, we can stabilize. Yeah, right. Alright guys, let's stabilize. We're going this time. Quick.
Bro, they wiped the defense and the offense. What the
Get shot,
fuck?
bro.
I'm gonna bomb on the tree for stabilizing. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, now. Oh my god,
Pulling on tree.
I'm pulling as well,
Kill him,
pulling in
kill
front as well, pulling in front as well. Everybody look on the tree carrier now, look on the tree carrier, look on the tree carrier. Tree carrier is at a hill, just
They're
pop
dying,
the
they're
fucking
dying,
tree
they're
carrier is
dying.
dead. Everybody declump now, declump away from the tree carrier. Everybody declump away, bro, declump away. Healing all down. Now. They have a carrier. Anti-heal if possible, anti-heal if possible. And just bomb around the tree.
Mine's on cooldown, 20 seconds. 15. Hold on.
Hold the tree for 15 seconds. Kill the tree carrier. Everybody look at the tree carrier. Tree carrier can die. Tree carrier can
Stabilize,
die.
stabilize.
2.
Tree's
I think he's
dead.
dead, he's dead.
I'm holding the anti-heal.
Okay, stay on the tree. Stay on the tree. Inch on the tree, everybody. Clump this shit.
Tree carrier.
Look on the tree.
Get ready. Now. It's a big bomb. I'm sticking it.
I'm bombing in their base. Never mind. I'm bombing in their base now. Speak.
We're holding the tree. There's no tree carrier.
Oh my god, the tree is so stable, guys. Holy shit. We're anti-healed. We're destabilizing. They have a carrier.
Stop
No!
GG's.